Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 14th of October 2016. So yesterday we had the short. It was a tricky short as well, as I mentioned in the note that I sent out yesterday afternoon, because we had to break this psychological 18,000, and as I mentioned in yesterday morning's Market Alert, this is a very big area for this market. It is major, and I was surprised that it managed to break it, traded through, managed to give around 30 points at one point, and then traded sideways waiting for the crude oil figures, which came out here. You can see the up and down spike there, and then unfortunately I had to go out on a mercy mission, as it were, and missed the rest of the trades. But as I said in my note yesterday afternoon, expect the market to come back. As I keep barking on about, they don't want this market down, certainly not before Clinton's selection, because I can't see Trump getting in with the biased media spin unless we get some sort of Brexit surprise or the equivalent of over in the US. But the establishment certainly wants Clinton in there for the very reason that she's in bed with the banks, etc., etc. But more on that in another video. But we've got the buy signal. We then get back above 18,000, and it's plain sailing all the way back up over 100 points, and then we get a bit of profit taking at the end there. So again, they're going to do their best to keep the market above the 18,000 level, and at the moment we're at 18,100. In the daily chart, you can see this, but again, if you look closely, there's not that much buying for. In fact, we've got a problem with the chart here. Let me just reload this. That's more like it. Yes, so we have got quite a bit of buying here, bringing the market back to the upside there, and then sideways on the overnight. So back down to the support at 17,954 that we drew in yesterday, and now the market back above the 18,059 as well. So a bit of either short covering there, I would suspect is the case, not any new fresh buying in this market, but short covering those who thought we'd broken the 18,000 and we were heading south, only to see the plunge protection team bring in the market back there. News wise today, what have we got? Not had a look yet. Carney's speaking at 2:30, so you may want to stay out. FOMC Rosenberg speaks at 1:30, and Yellen speaking at 6:30. So blimey, we've got a day full of central bankers, and prelim consumer sentiment, that's out at 3 p.m. so it's a bit of a tough one actually. Always difficult to say trade when a central banker speaking, and in particular Carney, because the market tends to do the opposite of whatever he says. Unless you can hear what he's saying, it's very difficult. So I would stand aside personally. Maybe one of them days after a good day yesterday that the market just trades sideways and tries to digest what rhetoric they're going to actually spew out at 2:30 and 6:30. So you might get a shout between 3 and 6:30 p.m, but you don't want to be in at 6:30 when Yellen's speaking, because you just don't know what they're going to say, backtrack or whatever. It's odd that she would be speaking on a Friday afternoon. I have to say I've not seen that one for some time. On the implied volatility front, 1437 up sharply because the market broke the 18,000, and there was obviously a chance that the market would continue lower until the plunge protection team came in and brought the market back. So again, you can see that increase there. So the market is likely to trade to the upside to bring this volatility down, because they don't want to get it out of control too soon. So that's it for today and for this week. I will let you know if I see anything at 2:30ish and between 3. See if I can let you know when Carney's stopped babbling. And other than that, have a great weekend, and I will see you in Monday's Market Alert. Thanks for watching.